Hey everyone, happy Monday of Memorial Day weekend. I wanted to come on real quick and do a little video that would remind you guys how to close a workshop order. So a workshop order is one that you opened up that you can share with customers or link host codes to. And so a workshop order will gather all of the different orders together under one host code so that you earn more hostess rewards. So let's say you've done that and you're ready to close it. So what do you do? So here I am, I'm just logged into the back office. Okay, and you're going to go over here to ordering, and then you're going to go to placing orders. Okay, and then down here you're going to click on modify existing order. And then when you do that, you're going to see which orders that you have open that need to be modified, and you're going to look for the host code that is associated with that order. So right here, you could pick one. So I have a host code right here, and you will click on the order number like that. Okay, click on it. And if you haven't selected a hostess, go ahead. So I would select myself and then say continue. Okay, and then save. So now I'm the hostess and I will get the rewards from it. And it shows me that there are only 2 orders linked. Right here it shows what the orders are, but I can click continue, and let's say I was ready to close that order out. Then I could put in, so this one doesn't have enough to get any hostess rewards because it's not even up to 150, and that's okay. But if it was over 150, right here you would see Stampin' Rewards, and you would add that. You would see your 50% off item. You would add that here, and then you would close it. So I hope that helps you. Let me see. Let's go back. Scroll to ordering. I'll remind you once more. Click on ordering. Click on placing orders, and then click on modify existing order and choose your order. So I hope that helps you guys, and I hope everything's doing good. I love when you guys ask me questions because I can just jump on here and do a really quick video like this. So all right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.